Wondering why it's so crowded? Because this is the biggest meat specialty store in Bay Area, Fresh Meat Factory. You get everything fresh and local and organic, flown straight from India, never frozen and always fresh. They get new stock every week and it's 100% halal. They have everything from seafood to chicken. Whether you're planning to cook at home or craving for something ready-made, they have got it all. They offer freshly made delicious curries and snacks at affordable prices. Not to forget their Irani chai, Indian spices and groceries, mouth-watering Indian snacks, and wide range of pickles. They offer same-day home delivery to all the cities in the Bay Area. Comment below for the locations and details. Don't forget to follow Priya Chips and Teas and Priya in California. Like, save, share.